Your goal was to create a similar data frame to the FC by age one. This time though, we wanted to have friend counts by age months instead of age years. Here's one solution that you might have done by chaining the operations of dplyr together. So first I want to make sure that the library is loaded, and then I'm going to create my data frame, pf.fc by age months. So I'm going to take my original data frame and apply a bunch of functions to it from the dplyr package. First, I'll group by age with months. Then I'll chain on a new command called summarize. And here I want to summarize by friend count mean and friend count median and the number of users in my group. And finally, I'll chain on one more command that will arrange my data frame by age with months. Running this command, I can see that I have my new data frame. Notice too that I have a lot more observations, and that should make sense because I went from age years to age months. And just to be sure, I'll print out a couple rows of my data frame to examine it. There's my age measured in months, my friend count mean, my friend count median, and in, the number of users in each group. Now, there was another way to get the same data frame. Let's see how we can do that. Instead of chaining the commands together, I can use the data frame and then apply commands to it. So first, I'll create age with month groups. I'll use that using the group by command. I'll pass it my data frame, and then I want to group by age with months. That's the variable. Now that I have my groups, I want to summarize them using mean friend count, median friend count, and in, which is the number of users in each group. So here I'll summarize age with months, and I'll save it into this new variable. Now that I have my groups, I want to summarize them using the summarize command. I'll create a new data frame called pf.fc by age months 2. I want to summarize this data frame since it's already in groups. So I'll pass it here, age with month groups. Now I just need to add the variables that I want to summarize. I want the mean of friend count, so I'll save that to a variable. I want the median of friend count, so I'll also save that to a variable. And finally, I want the number of users in each age group. Now I just want to take this data frame and arrange it by age with months. So I'll pass this data frame into the arrange function, and then I'll tell it to arrange by age with months. Notice too that I'm saving this new data frame into our old data frame, so I'm just writing it over. Running all this code, we can see that we get our new data frame. And we can also check it just by using our head function. Sure enough, the same exact data frame.